3 large potatoes. I make this potato dish when I have a lot of work. A very special meal and a very easy dinner. I sleep with a spoon in 3 large potatoes. Very easy to carve potatoes with a spoon. I place the carved potatoes on the baking tray. I grease the potatoes well. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? I brush the potatoes with oil. I put the potatoes I removed from the inside next to the tray. Salt the potatoes. C392F. Let it cook in a heated oven. Finely chop 1 onion. Add some vegetable oil to the pan. Roast the onions. When you have a lot of work, I give you a saving dinner recipe. "200 grams ground beef. Smash the minced meat with a spoon. 1 teaspoon tomato paste. Some salt. Chili and black pepper. Mix well. Add a little 1 cup of water and mix. A very simple and delicious recipe. I like easy recipes for dinner. I added some chopped parsley and mixed it. Minced meat roasted. Grate some cheddar cheese. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. One heaping tablespoon of flour. Add 1½ cups of milk, 3 oolong. Slowly add the milk, stirring. Mix until the bechamel sauce boils. Add some pepper and salt. The bechamel sauce is ready. Remove the baked potatoes. Put cheese in the potatoes. Put the meat on the cheese. It's a very easy and delicious recipe for dinner, don't you think? Put bechamel sauce on it. Be careful to cover everything. If you want similar recipes, please write to me in the comments. Thank you very much for your likes, comments and channel subscription. Bake again in the oven at 200°C until golden brown. Grate 1 clove of garlic in strained yogurt. Garlic is playing with me. Mix well with some water. We prepared a very delicious garlic sauce. Our food was delicious. Add the shredded potatoes to the yogurt. Mix well. Put the potatoes with yogurt on the serving plate first. I'm eating with pleasure. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.